Hello, it's Eddie from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at number 83 Highgate Road. Now, this well-presented semi-detached bungalow offers 3 bedrooms, a 16-foot lounge with doors through to a fantastic garden room. We've got a very private garden with that as well. We've got plenty of off-road parking to the front, and the property is presented in an immaculate way throughout and offers you the perfect opportunity to move straight in and enjoy the property straight away. Coming straight in from the hallway there, we've got the kitchen on the right hand side, beautifully finished with plenty of worktop space and arrangement of fitted appliances, as well as space for further white goods. On from there, we've got the main family bathroom, again really well appointed space, and then from here we've got the lounge opening through into a wonderful garden room. Garden room itself gives you just that valuable extra little bit of reception space, leading you out onto the garden as well, which we'll go through and take a look at a little bit later on in the tour. Going past the wood-burning stove there on the right-hand side and out of the lounge, we're going to head through to the front and take a look at the 3 bedrooms that the property has on offer. First of all, on the right-hand side here, a fantastic double bedroom, plenty of space to work with, and of course you've got plenty of room in here for chests of drawers, wardrobes, and of course further storage from there. Heading further down the hallway, we've got another bedroom, this time again really good sized room, lots of light coming through from that big window on the left hand side, and then to continue on with the last bedroom here, another wonderful sized bedroom with again that lovely amount of light coming through from the front. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at number 83 Highgate Road with us today. I'm sure you've got plenty of questions for us. This well-presented semi-detached bungalow with 3 bedrooms, 16-foot lounge and doors leading through to that garden room, private rear garden and off-road parking at the front is a wonderful opportunity. Again, I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.